Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what, we're outside tonight, guys. I love this. I'm gonna bring you a special recipe on my griddle, guys. Going out here on the Cuisinart 360 griddle, and I'm bringing you a very special Big Mac. No, we're doing a Smash Mac, guys. My version of McDonald's Big Mac. Been wanting to do this for a while, so let's get going. Alright folks, I looked at several recipes of this sauce online, and I think this one is probably the most common version I've seen out there. Several people are using this, so don't know if it's exact, but it's one we're going to go with here. So I got 1 cup of just regular mayonnaise. I'm going to add to that a 1/4 cup of just sweet pickle relish. I will have all this listed down below too, guys. I'm going to go with about 1½ tablespoons of regular yellow mustard. Hopefully I got enough. This is just 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar. Just a ½ teaspoon of paprika. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And that is all there is. We will just carefully whisk all this together. Probably should get a bigger mixing container. Y'all know me, I'm always half prepared. I think we're just going to use the spoon on this one. I think that's going to get our best results. Let's see, that's McDonald's sauce. Alright guys, this will go in the fridge overnight and get ready for our smash burgers tomorrow. There we go. Okay, for our center bun, I just took the heel, or the bottom side of one of the sesame seeded buns, and I'm just going to trim off some of that. I ain't gonna make it perfect, but it will serve our purpose. Just gonna set our butter up here on the edge just to get her a little melted. Okay, we're gonna get to toasting these guys. I'm not gonna toast them real heavy, but get a nice little toast on there. That off of here. Put that. Oh yeah. Yes, 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 yes. A little bit more there. Looking good. Alright guys, this is just some 80/20 ground chuck. I just got these, they're about 1/4 pound patties, and that's what we're gonna go with out here. Add just a little oil, just straight vegetable oil. Probably more than what we need, but that's all right. Let's get on with it. Parchment paper. Got some salt, pepper, garlic here, guys. I'm gonna season this up with. Alright guys, I'm getting a little cooked about halfway up here. I'm getting some juices running on top. I'm gonna go ahead and flip at least this front one here. Oh yeah. Nice little char. Perfect for about what I want. Get this one. Go another, I'll go right here. A little more salt, pepper, garlic. Alright folks, let's plate these up. Go inside and we'll make us a smash mac. Alright guys, come in with our McDonald sauce. And come in with our bottom bun. I'm gonna try to use my memory here. Some onions, chopped finely. Come in with some lettuce. Slice of American cheese. Let's got bottom patty. We got our middle bun here. Add a little bit more sauce. A little more lettuce. Got some pickles. Doing 4. I honestly don't know how many they use for second patty. And as I do, just our topper bun. Let's get a taste of that bad boy. Alright guys. Let's see if I can fit this thing in my mouth. That's not your ordinary mac. Tell you what, mine's a smash mac. Smells delicious. Tell you what, I believe that tastes like, God, that's so good. It's different than an ordinary Big Mac. Of course, they're not using a griddle, so you're not getting that little char on there. Everything else is on par. Oh, excuse me, that was so good. I think it's better than a Big Mac, just my opinion. It's obviously bigger, more meat. Sauce is good, sauce was pretty close. So yeah, guys, I want to do this one for a while. I'm actually going to do another one of these, except I'm going to grill it and see how that tastes as a Big Mac. And I have no doubt it'll also be good. So coming up in the somewhat near future, you'll see a grilled version of this same burger. So guys, thank you. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit that like button, that helps us. So guys, until next time, God bless you.